Welcome everyone to Bell Power Systems. My name is Ty Flannery. I'm the Yanmar Replacement Engine Salesman here. Standing in front of me is a Yanmar 3TNV88 series engine. This is our most common type of replacement engine because they power a wide variety of applications, from stump grinding equipment, water pumps, all the way into sawmills. We have a big selection, as you can see behind us, of all sorts of different makes, models of Yanmar engines here. Please go ahead and reach out to us if you ever have a failed Yanmar engine. There's good odds that we already have it in stock, or we can convert over what we have in our inventory to make it work for what you have failed in the field and get you back up and running. Reach out to me whenever you have a failed engine. My email is repower@bellpower.com. We'll get you a quote right away and get you taken care of as soon as possible. Thank you very much.